Hello everyone, I am Harshita and today we are going to see the concept of account rules in Fusion Accounting Hub. So what are account rules? They are ultimately used in journal entry rule sets to derive the accounts for the debit and credits of an event class. So account rule helps to derive the accounts for debit and credit while we are creating a journal entry rule sets. And there are three main elements in this account rule creation: rule type, value type, and conditions. So rule type contain account combination, segment, value sets in it, and value type contain account rule, formula, mapping set, source, and constant value type in it. Fine. And if you want, you can add a condition also for the account rule. So for the better understanding on account rule and to see how we can create the same, let's go to the instance and see how we can do that. So moving to the instance now. Now, after logging to the instance, let's make accounting rule for cash account. So for that, go to settings and action, setup and maintenance. Select setup here, Fusion Accounting Hub, accounting transformation, functional area, and go to configure accounting rules. Now first select your subledger application here. And after that, go to account rules. For creating a new, just click on this add icon. Give name here to your account rule. It should be a meaningful name like I'm giving here as cash account rule. Short name. Short name should be in uppercase without space and with underscore in it. If you want to add any description, you can add. I'm not adding. Give your charts of accounts. US charts of accounts. Now rule type. As I have discussed in PPT, there are three types of rule type: account combination, segment, and value set. Account combination define account rule by account to determine the entire accounting combination. Then segment. Define segment rule to derive a specific segment of the account. And value sets. Define account rule based on value sets rather than charts of account. Enable one to share the same rule between more than one charts of account. Is segment in this chart of account share the same value set. So these are the three rule types available. I'm going to use the segment here and giving the segment is my account. Now moving towards the rule here, click on this add icon. Now here are value type. So there are various value types available like account rule, constant, formula, mapping set, and source. Whatever is your requirement, you can choose as per that your value type. Account rule. Account rule uses an existing account rule and it can be useful when using a condition. Then constant. Constant uses specific value for the account combination value, segment value, or value set value. So it's a specific value. Then formula. User defined formula can be used for more complex rule. Then you can give mapping set as well to associate specific source value with GL account or segment values. Then at the end, there is a source. Source you can use where an account combination or segment value exists in the source system. So these are the value types which you can use. I'm giving the constant here and giving constant value for cash account here. Fine. Now conditions. If you want to add any condition for the rule which you are creating, you can add. For this rule, I do not want to add any condition, but for explanation purpose, I'm going to show you how you can do this. First, remove the text which is written in this box and just click on this bracket and click between this and click on the source. Now, search for the subledger application here. So I'm going to give my subledger application loan AHT search. So here the name, type, and subledger application is coming. Like I want to create a condition according to loan amount, so I will select that. So after selecting the loan amount, just click on this OK. Now go to operator, and you can add any operator. If like I'm going to add greater than or equal to amount, say 5,000. So what this rule specify is that, sorry, what this condition specify is when the loan amount will be greater than or equal to 5,000, then only this rule which we are creating will come into play. So this is what condition do here. So right now I'm not needing any condition here. So I'm just removing it and validating this account rule which we have created. Say OK and just save and close this in. So this is how you can create your account rule in the instance. So this is all for today. Thank you.